Hey YouTube and welcome to Silent Code Dev. So welcome to day 58 of dealing with this project. Day 58 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. So we're gonna try and finish this project in this video. And yeah, I'll start a new one in the next video. Before I start, I just have to say, it's been a big project. I have suffered. It's not perfect, as you guys can see, but and there's still some issues, but yeah, I'm gonna publish it like that. Not like that, but it's not gonna be a perfect one. So the issue we have right now is that when I click add to cart, the number 1 is not showing, but it's definitely working here. And you guys can see here we need to add some floats, something like that, but it is working here. And we also need to prevent that. So yeah. So yeah, we have a lot of small things we need to do. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is so we need to fix this, right? And that is happening because it doesn't know, we're not tracking it here. And also I need to delete this entire thing here, right? Because here I'm removing it, but we don't need this because we have this one, right? So we don't need to have this. So we're just gonna remove that. But let me just see so I don't make a mistake. Things I need to remove. Okay, so we need to do something here, right? So when we click add to cart button, we also need to check if cart doesn't exist, we want to cart, right? Because we are adding it to the equals name of product, price, amount 1, price, number, item query selector, price, text content, something like that. Okay. So if this doesn't, we click add to cart and it doesn't exist, we want to do that. But we need to also update this one, right? Okay. Let's see. So we're gonna do cart name amount, and of course it's a number, so we need to there we go. So this is working now. When I click, we get a 1 because we are doing it here. We are assigning it here. But it's not going to the... When I click the increment button, it's not going to Why is that? Yeah, we are rendering it, right? Which should be... This should fire off. So why is that not happening? We have an issue. Why is it not being inserted, guys? Let's see. So we have the increment button, right? And if cart, oh my god, if cart product doesn't exist, we are putting it here, and then we are rendering the... But why are we doing that here? Maybe that's the issue. Because here we are just like increasing this one, right? So we are getting the amount and we are increasing it, and we are putting that here. So that's a duplication right there. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out, right? And the same thing here. It's like, okay, if yeah, we don't need to render here because yeah, we have an issue. But yeah, this is also what I noticed, is that this is not firing off. This one, if cart name amount equals 0, toggle hidden, and so maybe because we need to move it. Yeah, else. There we go, baby. It's working flawlessly. I mean, we can say 0. So let's just say 1, right? Because that's the thing. Okay, so this is working good. But now I don't understand why it's not showing up here. And I know we have to think logically, right? Because when we click add to cart, we want to, that's when we want to add it there, right? So maybe we need to do something with this here. So if we are creating one, and also we need to render, I guess, render cards. So we are creating the object, and then we are, you know, getting the amount, changing that to the, and also we are, yeah. So let's see. That's not working. Okay, so we have an issue here with the cannot read properties of undefined reading alt. So I think that I'm doing something wrong here. So what I need to do is I need to create a new they can say img alt, and then we're just gonna say can I just say img alt? Probably not working. But we want to get these, so we can say item query selector img alt. Is that gonna work? Console log card name of product img alt. I just want to see what I get. If I click, let's see. It's not even doing anything. Okay, let's just assume that's right. Okay, and then I want to get the alt, right? Here we're getting the source of the image. We want the alt. And we're going to go here and we're going to say product img alt. Okay, so get undefined. It's not working. So yeah, I'm doing something wrong. Oh, it's working now. Okay. But we're not getting the image because there's something wrong again that I'm doing. So we are getting the source. Maybe it's because we don't have this here. There we go, baby. But now we're not updating. There's always something, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, so when we click this, we are not rendering it. That's it. We are missing the rendering function. And that should be here, I think. There we go, baby. Yeah, so when we click this, we also need to remove it from here. So we need to say that if blah blah blah, we also want to delete card name of product, and we need to render that. Oh my god. Perfect. Also, we need to change the cart, total cart. I don't know why that is still 1. Yeah, it's working like this, but when I remove 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there's still 1. So we have to make like a condition, right? So, oh, maybe it's because of it's index based. I don't know, but we can say that if let's keep this up here, and then I think it's because it's index based or something. So we can say that if object keys card length equals to 1. I'm just gonna test. So if we want this to be 0, yeah, there's like a bug there. I don't know. But we can even just manipulate it here. And we can say something here, right? Because if it's 0 to 1, it's like we're not update. Oh, we need to update. But we are updating it here, right? But we need to. There we go, baby. Right. And also I need to fix because you guys see, like, when I click, we get this big zeros, right? Decimal numbers. So I think we need to, like, because this is coming from here, it is the total price. So I don't know if I can say math floor. Hello? Hey guys, so as you saw, I got distracted. But yeah, let's see now, because I did, as you guys saw, I did math floor. So that's gonna remove the decimals and it's gonna round it, right? So we have more clean numbers. So wow, this seems to be like working great. I'm so happy when it works, because it's like, even though the code is a bit messy, but now I see it's just like logic, right? So I think, like, next time I do what really helps me is like thinking logical, right? Like, okay, you click something, what needs to happen, right? You need to do this. I need to visualize by words, like, what is gonna happen, and that way it's easier for me to, like. So now we're gonna do this one, right? So yeah, how am I gonna do that? The delete button. So I think that what I'm gonna do here, because it's gonna be tedious to, like, do this, right? So what I'm gonna do, obviously I know what to do, right? When we click this, we want to delete the entire li, and we need to update this. So we need to use like data set name or something like that, and this needs to happen it needs to happen in a function, right? Yeah, it needs to happen in a function, because and we can track it here. So what I'm gonna do is we need to get the I'm just trying to think. So we need to have here, we're gonna go do here, and we're gonna add like we're gonna say data set. I don't remember, let me see. JavaScript data name. Yeah, we gotta use data attributes. Let's see. Yeah, I just need an example, like let's just try. But what we need to do is that we need to set the data name, and that needs to be product name, something like that, right? And then we can so now we have the name, right? So we have the name of the li, and we can like, okay, we can get it here, so we can get, because we need to get the we don't need to loop through everything, we just need to like get the eTarget delete button. So if we click any delete button, so if eTarget class list contains delete button, I don't know if that's the right, let's see, delete is it close button or delete button? It's breaking our codes. I really want to finish this project in this video, so it's gonna be a long video probably. So I'm just gonna quickly see what this it's called. We don't have a name for it. Well, why did I not give it a name? Okay, let's just search trash. It's coming. Oh, okay, sorry, it's coming from here, so we don't need to. Okay, so let's just say delete button. So if delete button you want to const item query selector. So we need to see if it matches, right? So if eTarget matches, I have no idea. because like we need to have that. But I don't know, like I have it in the function. Should it be in the function or should it be outside? Okay guys, I'm gonna make a second video for this because I see that there's a few things that I need to do, but we are getting close to finishing off this project. So yeah, thank you guys for watching so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.